What's up guys, Austin with 4R Customs here to install one of my favorite overlanding mods, a Sterling Adventure Co 180 degree freestanding awning with a quick release bracket setup. Let's get to it. Real quick, I just wanted to show you how this quick release design works. We have this piece, which is going to go right up here on our tent, just like that. And then this piece, which is going to go on our awning. So all you have to do when you want to install or remove this is this piece will slide in just like that. And then you cinch it down with a 10mm wrench. So let's go ahead and get this installed on our awning. So we got our 4 bolts and our 4 nuts here. And just for reference, this is the bottom of the awning and this is the top. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna insert 2 of the nuts on this top and bottom railing. And then we'll get our plate installed. Perfect, now that we got those all just loosely fit in, I'm gonna push this all the way over to this side. And then I'm gonna push this bracket as far down as it wants to. I just want this awning to sit a little bit taller, so we're just gonna put it in that tallest position. And then we're just gonna go ahead and tighten these down one by one. Perfect, now with that all done, we're just gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Now we're gonna take this bracket and we're gonna mount it right up here. Now there's 3 different options of where you can actually put bolts through. We're gonna go through these lower 2, just so we're able to push this up just as far as it can go, just to set this awning as high as we can get it. So we're gonna take these nuts and we're gonna feed them through. Now I just finished test fitting this, and this is exactly where we want this bracket to be to center our awning with my tent. So now we're just gonna go ahead and tighten these bolts down. Now with this side finished, we're just gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Now all we got left is get this awning up on those brackets. Just like that. Now all that we have left is to cinch down those brackets. And all you gotta do is take a 10mm, get underneath here, and go ahead and tighten it down. And just like that, we finished installing our brand new awning. Now, if you enjoyed the video, show us your appreciation by leaving us a thumbs up. And if you want to follow along to see us test this out next week and show you how to set it up and put it away, then subscribe. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, we'll see you out in the trails.